Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we don't really have a Hot Wheels, but we do have a Matchbox. So Mattel does have Mattel Creations, which has Hot Wheel collectors, which includes like the Red Line Club or the RLC cars. But Matchbox has the Matchbox Collectors, which those cars are at a pretty high quality as well. Very similar build. And we have this one right here. So as you can kind of see, it's a Porsche 911 RSR, and even has the like official product of Porsche right there, official licensed product, which I'm super excited to bust into this. And this just recently came in, and I think this is going to be awesome. And as you see, the box is huge compared to like a normal like RLC car, so obviously it's going to be like a bigger display. So let's go ahead and cut this open here. And there's also some tape up here on the side, so let's go ahead and cut that as well. And another one up here. So now let's go ahead and bust this open. Man, they actually do a really good job with these. So as we slide it out, so they actually wrap it in tissue paper, which is pretty cool. That's actually a really nice touch. You're not going to scratch the acrylic case whenever you open it. So let me just go ahead and rip this off. It's not really a good safe way to preserve that, but also I'm not going to like rewrap it in the tissue paper. Alrighty. And here we go. And this is the Porsche 911 RSR, which looks absolutely amazing. Like, what do you guys think of that right there? That is so cool. And even like the base looks like a racetrack, which I think is really cool. It's like the backside there, that wing looks insane. But wow, even like the backdrop, I don't know if you guys can kind of see it there, has like that racetrack kind of look to it. Yeah, there you go, back there. And then the back of the packaging looks like that. So if you guys want to pause that and read it, you can. But obviously the Porsche 911 RSR, this is based on a real car, but I'm going to go ahead and slide it out of this little cardboard housing, so you guys can probably see like the little racetrack backdrop there. But wow, this looks absolutely insane. And I love that racetrack on the base there. It looks like asphalt. And then you got that turn right there with like the apex. It's kind of hitting it just right. Wow, even like the top down view looks really good as well. And this does also have rubber tires. Hot Wheels calls it the Real Riders tires. Matchbox, I think they're the True Grip tires. And I love that wing and diffuser there on that. There we go. That looks really, really good. Also, I'm trying out the new ring light, so you guys can probably see like that crazy reflection right there. But I think it does make it where I can kind of show Hot Wheels a little bit better. So let me know what you guys think of the ring light down in the comments down below, if that actually helps a lot more with being able to see the actual cars and everything. And I love the yellow headlights too. I don't know if you guys can kind of see that there. Matchbox did a really good job with this. I think this car looks absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and flip it around to this side again to check that side out. But wow, that is such an incredible looking car there. And like I said, that wing looks really cool. Wow, this is like, I'm actually really surprised at the quality that this is and how like amazing this looks. Man, so many like little details. I'm not like really used to Matchbox. I know that Matchbox are based more on like more realistic cars. Hot Wheels is a little bit more like the fantasy kind. But I will say they did an incredible job with this. Wow. Even says like Matchbox across like the front bumper, which is kind of cool. And they got that giant RSR in the roof. Man, all the little details look insane. Also, since they do have the casting of this, I wonder if we will ever see this in like a different form, or maybe like a moving parts or something where like the hood opens up, or maybe we'll see it in the I forgot what they call it, like the collector ones, or where they're like the $5 or $6 cars, kind of like the equivalent of the Hot Wheel premiums. I would love to see this exact car, maybe a different livery in a different setting, kind of like that, because this looks really cool. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. I do have a lot more videos like this coming, so if you guys did like this video, go down and hit that like button down below, and let me know like some other cars that you guys would like to see, because every time like new like RLC cars come out, or even occasionally I'll pick up some of the Matchbox collector cars, and I think they look really cool, especially this one right here. But I do have a lot of Hot Wheel case unboxings, a lot of other kind of opening up Hot Wheels, or even like the Hot Wheel monster trucks, stuff like that. I do a bunch of races as well, the big 6-lane raceway, so definitely hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on that. And I also do viewer request on the 6-lane raceway. But if you guys like the video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.